The website I'm about to show you will make you a lot of money if you take it serious. This is a website that will pay you a whopping amount of money within a week. This website will help you generate the kind of money that will replace your 9 to 5 paycheck. I am telling you this from my heart because this is not the kind of video you watch on a daily basis that are filled with empty promises. This is a website that has paid me personally within the space of 2 weeks of being referred to it. So I can tell you for sure that it is worth giving a little of your time because they pay like they promise. Now on your screen is the payment gotten from this website. It is powered by Webtech Interactive Media Limited. What you basically do on this website is that you chat. This is something you do on a daily basis and no one is paying you for it. So see the number of chats done, and this is the amount made even without being serious with it. I was just doing it to test the credibility of this website to know if it actually works. I was able to make $341.95 in the space of 2 weeks, if not less than 2 weeks. If you're just coming across my channel, my name is Chidi and I welcome you to Wealthy Mindset with Chidi. On this channel, I share how to make money on the online space. And on this channel, all you will find is all about money matters. So go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to this channel, and then come back to the comment section and type I have subscribed so I can welcome and appreciate you daily. Now, this is the homepage of the website. As you can see, become a chat operator. Here you can earn $300 on a weekly basis on an average. So here, as a chat operator, you'll be answering casual messages. You'll be assigned different roles depending on what the customer wants. You know, there are people who are bored and they are looking for someone to chat with them. Some of the clients you get on this website just want to talk about everyday life. Some talk about culture, weather, or relationship. One good thing about this website is that your identity will not be known. You are chatting anonymously. No calling or video call. You can work at any time, anywhere, just at your own pace. Now, there are requirements to applying on this platform. But before I say that, let me quickly let you know the advantages you will get from this website. Now, one of the advantages of this website is that you are your own boss. You enjoy your freedom and independence. You are in control of your time. No one is budging you. No one is asking you to work when you don't want to work. The second advantage is that you can work from wherever you are. Whether you're on the go, on the couch, it doesn't matter where you live. So you can work from all across the globe. From wherever it is that you are, you can work on this website. The third advantage of working with this platform or on this website is you decide what your weekly paycheck should look like. Your handwork will determine what you will earn. And the last advantage is that you can work as a freelancer. It's up to you how much you want to work. What you need to know before applying on this website. So the first is you need to be fluent in English. You must be able to speak and write good English. Make sure you are fluent in English. So the second is you must be 18 years of age. They do not accept minors, not at all. And you will also be asked to prove your age. The third is you need a computer or a laptop in order to chat effectively. You also need a reliable internet connection for a better experience as a chat operator. Before they accept you on this website, they will verify your identity. They will ask you of your personal ID card. So the reason is they would have to verify your age. Like I said earlier, you have to be 18 years of age for you to be able to work on this platform. And it also helps them to prevent fraud. They confirm your identity so they can process payment to the right person. Okay, so your ID card will be uploaded on this website for all those reasons. So if you apply on this website, you'll be contacted within 48 hours of applying. So here they offer you an online training in which they will show you the platform and prepare you for the job. So you do not need to be afraid of anything at all because you're not going in there blindly. Now, to apply on this website, simply go to textingfactory.com and start your application immediately. There you will fill your first name, last name, email address, and then you agree to the terms and condition and agree that you are 18 years of age, and then you apply. So guys, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, ensure you give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so I can give you a hug. Until my next video, it is bye.